Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to keep you updated on upcoming videos. Today I am giving you an important message about the International Day of Sign Languages. The International Day of Sign Languages is a United Nations recognized event and it is observed annually on 23rd September worldwide. Sign language is a completely natural language, which is structurally different from spoken languages. According to sources, there are about 72 million deaf people in the world, and they use more than 300 different sign languages. The United Nations General Assembly organized on the 19th of December 2017 declared the day of the 23rd of September as the International Day of Sign Languages to give special importance to sign language. Since then, the International Day of Sign Language is celebrated every year by inspiring deaf people to make them feel familiar. And in this video, I shared the International Day of Sign Languages related quotes, photo poster and wishes that you can share on social media. The theme of an International Day of Sign Languages 2022 is Sign Languages Are for Everybody. The WFD is launching a Global Leaders Challenge on an International Day of Sign Languages, in which government officials, members of parliament, regional councillors and other leaders asked to submit their videos using their national sign language. This challenge will enable national associations of deaf people to promote sign languages in collaboration with their political leaders. Learning another dialect isn't just learning various words for very similar things, but learning another approach to consider things. The deaf actually uses their hands to convey their messages, understand and respect the sign languages. Wishing the whole community a very interactive Sign Language Day. Human eyes are the sign language of the mind. In the event that you watch them cautiously, you can see reality played out, crude and unguarded. The issue isn't that the deaf doesn't hear, but it's that the world chooses to ignore. This Sign Language Day lets learn how to communicate better. Despite the fact that I'm not familiar with sign language by far, I could have a genuinely better than average discussion. Use sign language and spread the message.